In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Bitrix24 account. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to permanently remove your Bitrix24, and I'll point out a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Deleting an account is irreversible and affects all users in that workspace, so proceed only if you're absolutely sure. It's a good idea to confirm you have owner or admin rights and to export any important information you might need later. Start inside your Bitrix24 and open chat and calls from the main navigation. You'll find it in the interface where you handle direct messages and voice or video calls. We're using this area because the shortcut to the broader configuration menu is easy to access from here. At the top of the chat and calls page, look for the settings control in the header bar. It usually appears as a small gear or cog icon. Click that icon to open the menu that manages how your workspace behaves. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a configuration page that groups general preferences and account level options in one place. Inside the Settings page, click Other Settings. This section contains advanced options that aren't used every day, including the option to remove your Bitrix24. Now scroll down the page. The deletion controls are intentionally placed near the bottom to reduce the chance of accidental clicks and to make sure you read the warnings before moving forward. Click Delete this Bitrix24. You'll see a clear notice outlining what will happen if you continue. Read it carefully so you're aware of the impact on data, users, and integrations. Next, click Delete this Bitrix24 account. This will open the final confirmation prompt. To ensure the action is intentional, the system asks you to type a specific word. In the confirmation field, enter the word delete exactly as shown. Use lowercase letters and avoid extra spaces so the confirmation is accepted. This step helps prevent unintended removals. To complete the process, click Delete Bitrix24. The platform will begin processing the request. Depending on your account size and recent activity, it may take a short while for everything to finalize. There's no recycle bin for a whole account, so once this is done, access and automations tied to this workspace will stop. If you don't see these options, you may not be signed in with sufficient permissions, or your interface may place them slightly differently, but the wording will match. That's the full process. Follow these clicks carefully, confirm only when you're certain, and you'll successfully delete the Bitrix24 account you no longer need.